look at that fire burning. So one thing I want to point out, again, the cook plate is the hottest area. This is my second night burning the stove, and you can see that discoloration. So a lot of people think that the stainless steel like isn't going to discolor. As you can see, that is heat temperature transfer, right? So I just want to point that out. That will happen. I have not cooked on the stovetop yet, but I will show you what that kind of aftermath of cooking on the top looks like as well. I don't have like a whole lot of oil in this pan, and it has a taller edge, but already you can kind of see these grease splatters on the cooktop. This is pretty much inevitable. And yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. So anything with oil, my veggies do it, cooking a steak especially. Here's kind of the finished product after cooking. I always like to show you guys use on the cooktop because when you get it, it's so shiny, but it really doesn't last long, and it takes a lot. Like this won't just, it doesn't just wipe off. It's kind of a process to clean the cooktop. So actually, maybe I need to make a video on that. Beautiful stove though.